welcome. My name's Linda and welcome to my nookery. I am in the UK, up north as we say, and it's the 1st of November. Can you believe it's November already, guys? This year has just gone so quick, and it is 1:30 on a Wednesday afternoon. I have some happy mail to share with you today from Hobbii. I haven't purchased from Hobbii for a while, and one of my challenges for next year is to do some colour work, and I saw this pattern on Hobbii, and if you just bear with me a minute, I'll go and get it. So, right, okay, so this is the pattern. And you all know that if you remember, I made the olive branch tee in a tencel in the burgundy colour, and you know I love burgundy. Well, I love tencel bamboo yarn, and so I bought, this is the colourwork. This is not going to be done till next year, but this is the pattern. It was a free pattern, and so I bought that, and I bought the yarn as well. So let's just see if I can get in this. If there's any crinkle, I apologise. Alright, okay, so I've gone for greens. I've gone for shades of green. So I got this colour, which I bet it doesn't even tell you the colour. No, it doesn't. Oh, it does. So this is the hunting green, and this is going to be my darker colour, and then I've got soft green to do the colour work. It is tencel bamboo double, and it's made in Denmark. It's 40% tencel and 60% bamboo, 50 grams, 130 meters, 3 to 4 needles or hook, and it's, if you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, there's a nice sheen to it. So I thought those two colors would go really well, and I'm liking greens at the moment, and I love working with this yarn. And I do believe it is yeah, it is I would say it's a light DK, very light DK. So I've got all of those. I've got, how many have I got of each? I've got 2, 3, I've got 6. Oh, I know what I've done. This is going to be the body, and this is going to be the colour work. The darker is going to be the colour work. I've done it the other way round. Yeah, so this is going to be the main colour, and then the pattern, you know, the colour work here is going to be in the darker. So I've got plenty of that. I got one of the cherry sweets, so that is that. I'll just pop them back in the bag for now. I want to have a chat with you as well. I have got a fabulous Swift, a wooden one, and I have been after, I had one cake winder and that broke, so I bought another one. Rick bought me a big wooden one, and I don't like it. I can't use it. The tension is horrendous, and my cake doesn't come out looking like a cake. So what I've been doing it the old-fashioned way and rolling it into a ball, putting the yarn on the Swift and just rolling it into ball. So I have bought this one to give this one a try from Hobbii. I've had really big difficulty getting a ball winder that actually winds the cakes, the yarn into cakes, because I've got a lot of yarn that needs cakes. So we've got this one. so I'm going to see how this this works. So it's more or less this here, and it goes there like that, and you just wind it, and you put the so I'm going to give this a try, see how this works, whether this will make me a happy bunny or a very sad girl, and he throws a dummy in the corner. But yeah, I'm really fed up at the moment with ball winders. So if you've got any recommendations for ball winders, cake winders, whatever they're called, yarn winder, then please let me know in the description box. Yeah, so I've got lots of, I bought a lot of quite a few patterns, and I'm definitely looking forward to the new year, to making a start on colour work. I've got patterns for hats and cowl sets, I've got sweater patterns, I've got doggy patterns for Spice, the jacket. I'm going to do a little something for Spice. And yeah, so what is your challenge? What are your challenges for next year? I know it's only November, but you know me guys, I'm always organised. So yeah, so I'll be interested to see what comments you've got to say on the yarn winders, and what you think of the yarn and the colours that I picked for the sweater. I wanted it to be subtle. I didn't want it in your face kind of thing. I wanted it nice and subtle. I wanted a nice subtle sweater. So that's why I've gone with the dark green and the soft green. So it's kind of, so the soft green is going to be the main, and the dark green is going to be the colour work. And yeah, so I look forward to hearing what your answers are. I hope you're all well, guys. Take care, everybody. Stay safe. But more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye-bye for now.